Hello one and all, welcome to Classics on the Shoestring. Down the garage today, got the little Yamaha WR back. Get rid of these chrome things and put these WR125 ones on it. Should say 125R, but that actually says X. But these are going to go on it, adjustable length in and out, so should be fun. See if we can get them to fit. Right, for the clutch side, as most of you will already know, to get this off, de-adjust the cable, make sure both of these are lined up, and then you can pull that out like that and then work it out from in there. We then got to undo this nut and bolt, pull the lever out as Simon is doing this side, and then we'll be good to go, hopefully. Right, that's both the levers on. This one's been adjusted up. We checked the biting point of the clutch. May have to redo it once the bike's warmed up, but this is good to go. So we're now going to try and change the gear shift lever for a nice shiny blue one. Hopefully it'll fit. Right, we tried fitting the blue one, but as you can see, it's just completely the wrong angle, and the splines are totally different. This was meant to be for a Yamaha, but maybe for a different model. He's going to have to look back at his listing and see if he ordered the right one or the wrong one, and see if he can change it. But that's where we are for now. Job done that he come over for, which are the new levers. So if you remember from the last video working on the bike, we changed the handlebars, the grips. We now put some levers on it. Right, quick look at his order. It turns out that the alloy gear changer we were trying to fit is actually off a Yamaha YZ, hence it wouldn't fit. So he's ordered the wrong one. He's going to see if he can find one for the WR. Hopefully he can. But at least we've got the levers fitted. They look quite smart. He's got some other bits turning up for it at some point, so hopefully get them in another video. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Take it easy.